Self-defense is a shield to repel an attack. It is not a sword to acquire land indefinitely. Even if you validate the anticipatory self-defense argument for the initial 6 days of the 1967 war, the law of self-defense does not authorize the retention of territory for over half a century.
It does if the threat never ends.
Holding millions of people under military rule for nearly 60 years ceases to be a temporary military holding pattern. It morphs into something else, legally.
And that brings us to the physical reality on the ground today. You see an indefinite holding pattern. I see security realism. Let's look at the map again.
Okay.
If Israel fully withdraws to the 1949 Armistice lines, which, by the way, the 1949 agreements explicitly stated were just military lines, not international borders, Israel would be left a mere 9 miles wide at its narrowest point, 9 miles between the West Bank Hills and the Mediterranean Sea.
A 9-mile width is certainly a geographic vulnerability, I'll give you that.
It's the distance of a morning commute. Ben Gurion Airport, major infrastructure, and 70% of the population would sit within direct missile and small arms range of the high ground. The argument here is that survival is the prerequisite for any legal framework.
But that doesn't justify permanent control.
Let's look at the West Bank security barrier. Critics call it a land grab, but look at the mechanical history. During the Second Intifada, over 1,000 Israelis were